Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So I hope all of you have watched the lectures of week two, right? Week one and two.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so all of you just scan this QR. It's already 5. We should start. Just go to this website www.menti.com and enter this code, or you can just scan this QR to join this Mentimeter. Okay.
So are you sharing your screen?
Yeah, I think it's visible, right? All of you.
No,
Yes,
sir, for me.
I think there should be network issues from your side, because can few of the student confirm that if
I think the voice is not
yes, sir,
audible.
it's visible.
yeah, so I think that's network issue. Those who are not able to see my screen, I would suggest just disconnect and again like log out and then again log in. That might fix your issue. Okay. So in week 2, I think in the lectures there was a software named Orange was introduced, right?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, your volume was very low.
Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in week 2, there was in lecture 1, software named Orange was introduced, right? Those who have watched the lectures. Okay. So what you have to do is, right, just go to this website. Okay, Orange Data Mining. Okay. Or you can just make a simple Google search, download Orange Data Mining. Okay. Just do simple Google search and you will be redirected to this website. Okay, I'm pasting the link in the chat. Okay, just go there. This app is like drag and drop, even drag and drop widget kind of, like all the things present there are known as widgets. Okay, so this app is like you have to just drag and drop and the things will start. Okay. So I can see almost 12, 13 students know, but they haven't installed. So I would suggest like whatever the things that you are learning in this course, because in week 1 to that's quite of introduction, not any algorithm is introduced. From week 3, 4, 5, 6, we have in these 4 weeks we have few of the algorithms, right? Machine learning algorithm, supervised and unsupervised algorithm. So what is supervised, unsupervised? That's content of week 3. In next session we'll discuss what is supervised and unsupervised. So there you need this. You have, it will be better if you just apply whatever you are learning. Okay, you're learning into via some data sets. So Orange provides you with some dummy data sets. Okay, so what you can do, you can just go and play with those data set in that Orange. So you have to drag and drop to get a data set, then drag and drop to get a table, drag and drop to get the max of the table, drag and drop. Everything is just drag and drop. You don't have to write a single line of code or anything. Is this fine with everyone? So that's why we are expecting student to like use this software. Even if you are not using, that's fine, but if you are doing something, just try to do it in best possible way, because learning happens like both theoretical and practical implementation is necessary to sustain the learning that you are sustain the concepts that we are learning, right? So theoretically, you will be fine with the lectures and these sessions, doubt solving sessions and practice question. But what about practical implications? For that, I'll request everyone to download that software. Okay. Now, what do we mean by mean or average? That's some of the concepts that are discussed in week DS 500.
Sir, is Orange available for Linux?
I guess it should be. I'm not sure. You have to check actually.
Sir, because I have checked this, sir, but it is not available for Linux, I would think so.
Okay, so what I would suggest is like maybe you can use Google Sheets or online site, something like that for all the practical purposes. Okay, like the project that you guys will get, you can do that project with the Orange
Sir,
also.
what about LibreOffice, sir?
What about?
LibreOffice.
I'm not aware about that one, honestly. But Google Sheets, you can just go to any website and you can run that online. You don't have to download anything. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sure, sir, I will use Google.
Yeah. So in this week, what we have learned is the types of data sets, understanding cricket data sets. So this is also provided by Orange, if I am not wrong. Then how to set up Orange, how to examine the data set using Orange, and obtaining features in an unstructured setting. Okay, so these are the things. Basically, week 2 is nothing but just giving you how to do applications for the concepts that on the data set that you will learn on the upcoming weeks, that is supervised learning. What are the algorithms, k means clustering and all, how can you use them? So for that we have this thing. So whenever we have some data, right, the first thing before running algorithm is like cleaning the data and understanding the data, and that part is known as EDA, that is exploratory data analysis. Fine. So now this main median mode that today we'll discuss, that comes under EDA, exploratory data analysis. So what is mean? So mean is basically nothing but average of any numbers. Okay, so for example, I have this many numbers, 1, 4, 5, 2. So what will be the mean of this number? How can we calculate that mean? Can anyone would like to tell me?
Sum of number upon total number of terms.
Yeah, so addition of all the data points, each of them are data points, right? Addition of all the data points divided by total number of data points. So there are 4 data points. 1 is a 1, 4 is the second, 5th is the third, and 2 is the fourth. So 4 data points are there, right? 4 instances are there. And I have to sum all the observations, all the data points. That is, these are just machine learning lingos, right? What is, you should be comfortable enough. Like now you cannot say that these are 4 numbers and I am just adding the numbers and dividing them by the total number. So you should use machine learning lingos now, right? So that's why I am telling these are some 4 instances or 4 data points. So I should sum up all the data points divided by the observation. How many data points are there with me? So there are 4 data points, 1, 4, 5, and 2. And their summation comes out to be 4 plus 1, 5, 5, 5, 10, and 10 plus 12, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So if someone asks what is the mean of my feature, let's say some features are there that is having age. Okay, so think like this. Let's say I have some data set and this is one of my feature. Okay, age. This is one of my feature. Let's say there are 10 data points, 10 data points are there. Okay, so age may be 18, 12, something like that. 10 observation will be there, like 20, let's say. Now if someone asks me what is the average age of all the samples that we have, so in our samples we have 10 counts, right? 10 people. Okay, now if someone asks me what is the average age of this sample that we have, okay, so we can easily find that, right? 18 plus 12 plus all the data points divided by 10. Clear? And this provides me some insights, like that my mean age of the sample is maybe 20 years or maybe 19 years. Does this provide me some insights? So let's say you are some social media company and you gather this kind of insight. So what do you think? Will that be helpful for you in your business, or that that will not be helpful at all?
It is helpful. It's kind of
Okay.
helpful as it's providing some insights.
Yeah, so we are gathering some insight, right? So after gathering the insight, we can work on the product that will be helpful for that age group of people. Mean, what does this mean? If 10 out of this 10 sample, if my average age is 19, that means the people around that age are more interested towards my product, correct? So that's the purpose of machine learning. The purpose of machine learning is that we have some structured data. We have to predict what the output is going to be in the future, right? Let's say I have a company, let's say Instagram, for example. Instagram is a company, social media company. So what I will do, I will observe the kind of contents viewed by this age group of people in the year 2025. Okay, the kind of content may be cooking. There are many things, right? Cooking or adventure or coding, right? So what I will do, I will see that people are at the age group of 20 are watching coding related content more. So as a Instagram social media, what I will do, I will push this kind of content more so that my engagement in the app by the user increases. So that's a business, that kind of thing will help me to get business profit, correct? Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so these things are basically, these things comes before machine learning, gathering the insights from the data, and this is called actually exploratory data analysis. That is preparing your data, knowing your data, and after that what you have to do with your data to give prediction, that's actually machine learning is. But before preparing the data, knowing the data is called or before running algorithms on the data, knowing the data or exploring the data is called exploratory data analysis. And average is one of the important metrics that you should be playing around with to get insights into your data sets. Okay, so can we move forward to next slide if this is clear to all of you?
Yes.
What is Anna's average score across the three subjects, history, French, and English? So from where we will get the data? So I'll do one thing. This data set, I'll share the link here in the chat. Okay. So all of you just go to this one and just make a copy. Okay, you guys only have I guess, don't give request. Please don't send request. It will be impossible for me to accept, as this is the main data set. Just go here, file, and make a copy, and then start working on the data set. Okay, please don't send me request on this this data set. Just go there, make a copy. And now start working on the data set. So what the question is asking, what is the average score across the three subjects? What's Anna's average score across three subjects? Which three subjects? French and English and history. So first I'll search for Anna, right? So what I will do, I'll apply filter, go there, and first name should be clear all. I just need for Anna, right? That's another data set that I am working on. It's on my Havana.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Yeah, I'm not telling anything now. I'm just searching for the user, and I think that's some different data set.
Sir, there's different sheets in the data set. Maybe that's the.
Yeah, I have to just check in orange. Let me do that. Just give me a moment, okay? I'll just open the orange. That the data set is present there in orange as far as I know. Just let me, in the meanwhile, if any one of you want to download Orange in your system, you can try out alongside me, because I am doing so. It is getting installed in my system. Okay.
Sir, there's no French code.
Sorry.
Sir, there's no French code.
Yeah, I'm searching that data set actually. Okay, just give me, yeah, data set. You see, like on my screen, if I show you, that's orange. Okay, that's okay. That's the software orange. Okay, so these are just called widgets, as I told. This is my blank canvas. Okay, whenever we'll open that, we'll get this blank canvas. So these are called widgets. Okay, for example, file, CSV file, data set, SQL table data, table pane data. These are called widgets. So what I'll do is I'll go to data set. So you'll see it is initializing data set. Once I click on this data set,
In phone, how to download Orange data?
can you please mute yourself? When I click on this data set, there they will provide many dummy data set. Okay, so let me check which one has 4 marks. Great data. What the name of the data set actually? Left to check one by one. Yeah, these are multiple data set. You can try out your models that you will learn on any one of the data set. Okay. Yeah, course grades, this data set. I think the data set is loaded. See, this is the data set I was talking about. Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now let me check. Can I export that anyway to any? If it is possible to export that to Google Sheet, that will be much better.
Sir, in phone we can't able to download, sir.
No, in the phone you will not be able to do so. Okay.
Sir,
You
we have
need
to download Orange.
no
And
for
how
that
to download in phone, sir?
no, you will not be able to. I think Orange is not that is not there in the phone. You any way you need desktop or laptop, anything.
Sir,
Student
it
English,
is compulsory to download Orange, or is it fine?
it is fine, but if you are doing project anyway, you need to know how to use this Google Sheet. For example, now this questions I can solve with Orange, right? But instead, what I will do, I will just go to G Sheet and I will just print down all this thing to this sheet, right? So what are the columns I had? Student
Okay, sir.
English, French, history, algebra, biology, physics, physical. English, French, history, algebra, biology, physics,
So will you share this with
Yeah,
us?
I'm sharing this. Just give me a moment. Just let me check. English, French, history, algebra, biology, physics, physical. Okay. So I think this is sheet 5. Okay. If we go to this link, let me share it again in the group.
Sir, is it possible to do these meetings on Google?
This is sheet 5. Okay. No, the main issue is that the number of participants. So usually it is less in this term, but usually the number of participants cross 400, 500. In the Google Meet, it's limited up to 300, right? So we cannot do that. Okay. So all of you just don't send request. Once again, I am telling you only have view access. Just go and make a copy. Just click here, make a copy of. Okay, anyhow, just make a copy and you will get a copy, and you can work alongside me on this data set. The sheet 5. Okay. Is this fine with everyone? Are you all able to access this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's the thing. Okay, so now what the question was? What's Anna's average score in 3 subjects: history, France, and English? So average score of Anna. Anna is the first student. So history, France, and history, France, and English. So these 3, right? So how can I find it? So there is a function. Okay. So one thing is before that, these are called columns. Okay. This is a column 1. This is a column 2. This is a column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6, column 7, column 8. And these are called rows. So this is one row. This is second row. Okay. And each intersection of row and column is called cell. This is one cell. Okay. Can anyone tell me how can I address this cell? What's the address of this cell?
B2.
Yeah.
B2.
So its format is column plus column then row, right? So it's in B column and second row. So now tell me, those who have attended last Saturday session, tell me what are columns called in machine learning lingo and what are these rows called in machine learning terms?
Features and labels.
Features and second
Features
category.
and
Labels.
labels.
No. Features and data points. See, data points, because this is your one instance of a data point, right? Correct. This is your features. These are correct. This feature is called English, right? This feature is called French. This feature is called history. Okay. These are not called labels. Labels are something different. Labels are like whether, for example, we are solving some classification problem of cat and dog. So cat and dog is my label, but that image itself is my data set or data point. The single image is a data point. Collection of data points are called data set. Is this clear to all of you, or is it getting confusing?
So, sir, you're telling that those names column you're telling is not label but a data set.
These are data points. Each one of them are data points, and the collection of all this, I will call this a data set.
Okay. So they are data points, but aren't they names, sir? Because
See, names, these are also correct because this name is not at all useful for machine learning models. Even
yes, sir.
these are also not useful for models. What is useful for model is only these things: maths, numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have some process to convert these names to mathematical formulation, and we call them encodings. Okay, they are known as encoding. So you are correct, because machine learning model never understand English. We know Anna is a name of a student. For us humans, it makes sense, but for models, it doesn't make sense. Okay, so
So, sir, doesn't it affect the outcome?
Not at all, because you see what this encoding will do. I'll just convert this textual representation to some mathematical representation for this Anna. As a human, we know this ENA may be encoded as 011. Model will work with 011, but not with ENA. So this 011 will not impact our result at all, because that's just label. We are labeling this student, or I shouldn't say label, but we are encoding this student as ENA. Like we are encoding the student ENA as 011. Okay. Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there is a function, as I was telling. The name of the function was average. Average is used to calculate mean. So what they are asking is to get English, French, and history score. So English is my B2. As soon as I have written B2, you can see it is getting selected, right? Then in French is in C2, right? And history is in D2. Are you able to see? These are getting selected as soon as I am writing their cell address. Okay, if I click on enter, what's the average of their marks? I can manually check 22 plus 30 plus 32. So that is your 30 plus 32, 62, and 72, 82, 84. 84 divided by 3 is coming out 84, right? 84 divided by 3 is 28, correct. So is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Sir, so I have a doubt, sir. Like SKY values, they are kind of numbers. Like for example, A is for 65 and all.
Yeah.
So, sir, is it used in computer encoding? Is something like that?
No, encoding is completely different. ASCII value is what you know. ASCII value is like whenever we type something. For as a human, I am reading this as ANA, but computer doesn't know ANA. It is reading it as ASCII value only, correct? Generally, computer is reading ANA as ASCII value. But in machine learning model, what will happen, right? In machine learning model, we cannot use ASCII value. There, what we have to do, we have to convert all the independent human names that we have, like unique human names. Let's say how many? 16 or 15 human names are there. I'll convert each of them into some numerical representation. These are just representation. They will not help me in calculation at all. All this thing will help me in calculation. Okay. So whenever I will convert them into representation, they are just representation. So if I convert ENA to 001, let's say, so my computer will understand this as 001 only. Okay. Like a computer is in my machine learning model will understand this as 001, and it will not impact my calculation at all. This is just representation of ENA in mathematical terms.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so 28. So if I go and check now what students have answered. So 28, right? And many have answered something different. Okay, so is this clear? What is average?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now moving forward, we have median. So what is median? So let's say we have some 10 people in a class, okay, and we want to find their median marks. Okay, let's talk with 5 people, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples are there. 5 people in a group, and we want to find what's the median. What is the middle most? Median means the middle most. Okay, because in main you see, if some people have 0 and some people have 100, and one people, let's say, have okay, let's say 2 people are there, one have 0, one have 100. So both of them are outliers. If I find their average, it will be 50, correct? But none of them in the group have 50 marks. Are you all getting? One have 0 mark, one have 100 marks. So both of them are outliers, but their average is 50. So is this mean a good representation always? We can see that none of our data points have 50, but our average is 50. Are you getting what I am trying to convey?
Yes, sir.
To deal with that, use median. So median is a much more better representation. So in median, what we get, some value we'll get. So we know that half of the population is below that number, and remaining half of the population is above that number. Okay, so that's kind of a good matrix to get understanding into the data set, correct? Because our median is not influenced by the outliers. Okay, so let's say in a group I have 5 people. I want to know their median mark of that group. So what I will do, this 5 people, 90, 82, 67, 59, 100. So how will I find the median? 5 observations are there.
So we arrange in ascending order and find the middle.
Yeah. So I have to arrange all of them in ascending order. So first value will be 59, then 67, then 82, then 90, then 100. Okay, so I'll arrange them in ascending order. So first will be 59, 100. Shiva Santosh, can you please mute yourself? Shiva Santosh. So when I was, in the median. Okay.
Okay.
So in the median, if we have odd numbers of values, what we just do, we just take the middlemost value. So if I sort it, it will be something like
82.
59, then 67, then 82, then 90, then 100, right? So what is my middlemost value here?
82.
82.
So in odd number of observation, there are 5 observation. So my middlemost value is the 82. So this is my median.
82.
Okay. So this is my median. The median of my group is, or the median marks of my group is 82. Now what we'll do if we have even number of values? What we'll do? If we
Sir, we'll arrange in ascending. We'll take the two middlemost values, add them, and divide by 2.
Correct. So now how will I do that? Now let's say I have this one. So 59, right? Then is this visible or should I change the color? I think I should change the color. So
Huh?
yeah, 59, 67.
Sir,
Yeah, say.
so it is compulsory to arrange in ascending order.
Yeah, so that's how you will find, right? You arrange in ascending or descending, it doesn't matter.
Or even it can be arranged in descending order.
Of course, it can be arranged. At the end of the day, we are finding this the middlemost value, right? So let's say this one also. If I arrange this instead of 59, 67, 82, 90, 100, if I would have arranged this as 100, 90, 82, 67, 59, would my answer would have been changed? No, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
No,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So usually that's a like trick, not trick, but standard practice. We while finding median, we just sort it into arranging order, ascending order.
Yes.
Okay. So now,
Yes, sir.
if I go, see, now I have even number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in even observation, we cannot find middlemost value. So what I will do, I will take the 2 middlemost values, right? So
Is it possible, sir?
yeah. Okay, so I'll take the 2 middlemost values, and this is the like here only 6 are there, but usually the formula is like if it is odd, it will be n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1.
Plus 1, sir.
Yeah. So here, here like 5 by 2 will be what, 2.5, right?
Sir, instead of ascending order, can't we do it in descending order?
Of course, you can do in descending order. If I sort this in descending order, will my answer of 82 change? No, right? It will be 82 only.
Sir, actually, it is n plus 1 by 2.
Yeah, it should be n plus 1 by 2. Sorry, not n by 2 plus 1. It should be n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so it should be n plus 1 by 2. So it is 6 by 2, right? So this is my third observation. Correct? And this one will be n plus 1 by 2. Sorry, n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1. This one is n by 2 plus 1 if it is even. Means average of both of them. Okay, in case of even. Okay, so my n by 2 is what? My n by 2 here is 6 by 2. So 6 by 2 is like 3, and 6 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 4. So third and fourth observation and their mean. So is the relation clear between the formula and the maths present here? That's why the median marks of this group is 85. Is this clear? Although you see none of the students have 85 here, but even also if I look
Or
into,
even you want to say if for or you want to add 82 and 88 by 2, sir.
yeah, so it's just average of the n plus 1 by 2 with observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. N by 2th observation and n by 2th plus 1th observation and their average. Okay, in case of even number of observations, right? So to
So
recap,
practically, it's like a midpoint of all the data points, right? So what is like the usage of median? Like as you said, for mean, we can.
as I told, in mean, let's say I have two data points. Let's say like, 0 and 100. Okay, now if I find the mean of this data point, okay, what will be my mean?
50.
50. So I can say that in this group the mean is 50. But is this a good representation of my data set? Can you see any data? Like both of them, we can consider them as outliers, right? They're not at all good representation. That's why we need median, because in these both cases we have seen that if I calculate this one, right, and we are getting 82. So this does indicate something that half of my population is below mean, remaining half of my population is above median, not mean. Half of the population is below that median number, remaining half is the above median. So it is not getting affected by outlier. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I hope this is clear. So to sum up, the formula for mean is just sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. Formula for median, if number of data points are odd, then it is n plus 1 by 2th observation. If number of data points are even, then it is n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation and both of their mean. Is this clear?
So, what is the importance of median in encoding?
There is no importance of median in encoding. Encoding is a completely separate topic.
Okay, sir. Like, what is the objective of today's class? Are we like solving doubts or are you teaching us something?
This is like some important concepts that are not touched in the lecture, but we'll discuss them because these things will come handy when you will do the project. Okay, because project will carry 25 marks for exploratory data analysis. At that point of time, you will have question related to finding mean, median, mode of data points or features.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and these are usually, everything is not possible to cover in the lectures, but these are also important aspects of data science, so we have to anyhow cover them. Okay, so if mean and median is clear, we'll move forward.
I have doubt in mean.
Yeah, so ask your doubt. Yeah, hello. You can
Bro,
ask.
I have doubt in median, bro.
Can you read each again? Mean.
Yeah, you can ask your doubt. What's your doubt in median or mean?
Mean, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
you can give like an outline for the means again once more.
Okay, so that outlier example, right?
Yes, sir.
So I was telling that, like, let's say I have
Nothing but an average.
Yeah, mean is nothing but an average. So let's say I have a data point 0 and 100, and now I want to find what's the mean of this data point. So usually mean works fine, but in case of extreme cases like this, is mean a good representation?
No,
right?
sir.
because my mean of the data set will be 50. So is any
For odd numbers,
for no mean
sir,
is
for
same.
odd numbers,
The formula for mean is same. Even if let's say it is 200. So for what's the average? It should be 200 plus 100 plus 0 divided by 3. So 300 by 3, that is 100. So in that case, you see my average is getting good results, right? Okay. Okay, so
yes, sir, yes, sir.
let's go to the question. What is the median value of the scores in English? So what is the median value of the scores in English? The question is asking what is the median value for the scores? So
Yeah.
go to English, right? You have to find its median value. So what I'll do, there is a function called median. Okay. And then what's my range of this function? Like the range means from which point to which point do I have to select? From B to
B2 to B17.
Yeah, B2 colon B17. So you see, so it is 15. 50 is the median of my English marks. Now let's go back and check. Yeah, so most of the students have answered this is 50. So I think it's correct. Those who haven't answered, just answer. I'm giving 2 minutes.
Sir, until then, may I ask something else than mean mode median?
For that to answer this.
Yeah.
Thing, sir.
Oh, one
Sir,
by one.
actually, also like students in my school and also I see students in chat box are like confused for the assignment submissions.
Okay, after this session, I can discuss about the assignment.
Sir, after
Can
when?
you give me the links of the
Like,
this
2-3
answer,
more
sir?
questions are left. After that, I will discuss about the assignment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you send me the link of this question?
This which one? This
This is the what is the medium? Yes, sir, for Mentimeter.
Just go to this menti.com and use this code. You will get redirected to this one.
1 minute, sir.
Just go to
Sir, can you just say how to get the Google Sheet you use?
to get the
Excel, the data sheet, sir.
Oh, data I have already shared in the chat. Okay, let me share it again. Just do one thing, just copy it. Okay, just don't send me request to give access because that's view only. Okay, just go to this and just make a copy of this and you will be able to edit that copy in your system. Okay, I have again shared
Yes,
this.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So I think I should move to the next part. So
So how do you calculate the mean on the sheet?
Sir, your audible was very low. Please.
That's using average function.
Sir, your audible was very low, sir.
Sir, what about medium?
Is it same for all or am I audible to all of you?
Sir, you're audible.
Audible, sir.
You're audible, sir.
Your audible was very low, sir.
I think I should increase
Sir,
it.
you are audible, sir, but not compared to students. You are very low audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That might be because network issue, because I am like sitting more clear, like in front of laptop only.
Sir, it is not any network issue. Your volume speaker was very low. So please change your volume.
I'm using laptop only, man. How can I change laptop now?
So I think
We can hear you clearly, sir. We can hear you clearly.
Yeah. So what I was telling, yeah.
Sir, median.
Okay,
What
someone
is
was asking
median?
like how we use median and mode.
Sir, 1 minute, show the code, sir. Sir, 1 minute, show the code.
Okay, just give me a second. I was telling, you can to find the
Mentimeter code.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Find the mean. We have this average function. Okay, this average function is help us to find the mean of some range of data. And to find the median, we have this median function. Okay, again, you will select the range and then it will help us find the median of that range. Okay, so for average, we have, for mean, we have average function. For median, we have median function. And now mode. Before mode, this is the code 33796082.
33
33796082.
96382. Thanks.
Okay, 33796082.
Okay, sir, your audible was very low, sir. I didn't hear what you tell.
I am clear. Like, is it same for all of you, or you guys
Sir, no,
are?
sir, it's now audible, sir. Sir,
Sir, you are clearly
Audible, sir.
sir, you're
Sir,
audible,
because
sir.
they are using the earbuds or Bluetooth. Anyone?
I think you should also use them, because I am I am sitting in front of laptop only, very close to laptop, and most of the people are able to hear. Okay, let's continue. So I was telling, what is mode? Can anyone tell me what is mode? Mode of a data set or data points?
The most repeated.
Most repeated data
Most
point.
repeated.
Yeah, so that is
The
the
most
most
repeated
frequent
data
observation, right?
Highest frequency.
Yeah, most frequent observation. Correct. So here we have the values 3, 7, 1, 5, 6, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. So each of them are data points, and entire all the values are called data set. Okay. So what is the mode of my data set now?
6.
Because 6 is repeated maximum amount of time, or maximum, or 6 is repeated frequently. Correct?
Yes,
so now,
sir.
how that is very simple. Mode is nothing but which observation is repeating maximum with maximum frequency of time. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll
Sir,
go and see what is
sir,
the mode.
again, once more, say again the mode, sir. What, sir? Repeat again.
Any frequency, any observation that is repeating maximum amount of time. In this
Yes,
example, you see 3, 7, 1, 5, 6, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. 6 is being repeated 3 times, right?
Yes, sir. So
That's
it's
it.
mode is 6. So if
Yeah.
example 6 is also 2, 3 is also 2 times. What will be the mode, sir?
That kind of things are called bimodal data sets. Okay. In these things will not be necessary here, or even going forward also. It's very rare that you will see this kind of thing. Even in real world also, you see this kind of thing. Then you can consider both of them
Yes,
as your mode, because that's a good insight.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and those kind of data set are called bimodal data set. This data set have only one mode, that is 6. It is called unimodal data set.
The most repeated frequency is called mode, sir.
The observation with most frequent number of repetitions. So here 3 is my observation, 7 is my observation, 1 is my observation, 5 is my observation, 6 is also my observation, but it is observed 3 times in this data set. Right? So 6 is my mode. Okay. What is the mode in English scores? So how will I find it? What is the mode in English scores? Okay, so few people have already started answering. So let's go to the data set and English. So this is my English column. So now this I have used average. This is the median. Let's find the mode. So simple. The formula for mode is mode only. Okay. And then I have to select entire range of the data set. So my mode of this entire data set is 91. Let's see.
Yes, sir, 91, sir. Repeated to.
Yeah, 91 is the observation. Again, 91 we have seen one time.
Sir, but 9 also repeated 2 times, sir.
91 2 3 times.
91 also repeated 2 times. 9 also repeated 2 times.
No. You see, 91 is here is 91. Here is 91.
So repeated 3 times.
Here is 91.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
91 is 4 times.
I think
3 times.
Yeah.
4 times. Yes, sir.
1. Sir, 3 times alone, sir.
3 times.
3 times.
3 times, sir.
3 times. 3 times.
Yes, sir. 3 times, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I hope how to find mean median mode is clear for all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now answer it quickly in the Mentimeter. Okay, let's move to the next part. How much did Ian score in French? So what's the purpose of this question? The purpose of this question is to get familiar yourself with cells. So how can we read the data? So first of all, I have to go to Ian's
Ian
row.
score French 80, sir.
Yeah, and then I have to, this is the data set corresponding to Ian. Yeah. So in this, sorry, not data set, data point. So in this data point, my first observation is English, second observation is French, next is history, algebra, biology, physics, and
Physics, physical.
is asking,
Ian scored in French. What is the mark he scored in French?
Disconnected. Jumping in.
సరే సరే
sorry, I got disconnected because of network issue. Is my screen visible?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
25 to 85.
Okay, so who is Nash similar to? Okay, so what are the
Total
options?
marks are similar, sir.
So what are the options I have? Cynthia, Fred, Demi, Maya. Okay, Cynthia. Wait a second.
So,
Okay. So Nash is similar to Cynthia, Fred, Demi, Maya. So what I will do to check similarity, first I will go there. Okay. And now I will create a filter. I will create a filter. Now after creating a filter, which are the students I want? I only want, first of all, I will clear all. I don't want I don't want to see all the students. I want Nash. Okay. And then Demi. And then Cynthia. And then Maya. What was the fourth student? Fred.
right.
Fred, right?
Yes, sir.
Fred. So I just want to observe all these four students. And no. Okay. So, okay. Now the question is asking, who is Nash similar to? So if I calculate, or visually, if I see that Nash has 14 marks in English, then Maya has 100, Fred has 49, Demi has 9, Cynthia has 51. So for this English, I can say he is very much similar to, like, what I can say, like all of them are distinct scores. So this here number of equal things are zero, right? None of them are similar at all for English, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For French, are
No,
they
sir.
equal?
None are similar.
No, sir.
None are similar. For history, are they
No,
equal?
sir. No, sir.
None of them are similar. Okay. Now
Sir,
for
but in
algebra,
algebra, Demi and Nash are similar.
yeah, Demi and Nash
Demi
are
and Nash
similar.
are similar, sir.
Okay. Now in biology,
One, sir.
how Nash has this one and 42.
No, sir.
No, you see one thing. I'm not checking with the Cynthia with Fred because they are similar. I am checking Nash with other four people, right? So is anyone equal to 42 here? No, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now anyone equal to 51 here?
No.
No, right? So 0. Is anyone equal to 39 here?
No.
So we can see
Yes.
all of the cases, all of them
No,
were
sir.
different. Only Nash was similar to only this Demi.
Demi.
Right? So what am I?
Demagogue.
Sir, by instead of just by adding everyone total, we can check no, sir, by they
No,
are similar or not.
No. By adding total, we cannot check similarity because for checking similarity, there is one concept that is Euclidean distance, but that's very advanced. But on higher level, I think you should get comfortable. Like if any one of these scores of any people, maybe one or two scores are matching, then they are similar. So in none of the
But their
objective,
total may be very no, sir. Maybe very.
no, total might be possible. There's three students have total maybe 300. But we have checked it case by case. Let's say this and them. Let's say we add them up. Some
Voice is breaking.
Giant.
Sir, are you here?
Hello, sir. Is there?
No.
I think so, due to network problems, I left. I think so. Or else, did the class over?
Excuse me, sir.
I think so, because of network problems, I left.
Excuse me, sir.
I think due to network problems, sir has been left.
Yeah, I also think so. We left the group, left the meet, Zoom. Hmm? Hello. I think so, we can leave the meet, I think so. Because as per the time, 5 to 6 is the time.
But sir didn't inform anything.
Yes, that's also. But everyone left almost. Only 80 members are left. At start 135, now only 80 is there. What shall we do?
There is no host here.
Oh no.
I think so. IIT Madras team has left.
Leave the class.
Hello.
Everyone has been left.
What shall we can do? Shall we also leave?
We will wait for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
The network issues. I'm facing severe network issues here. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You're audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Get the hostesses.
Sir, can you just raise your volume up?
The volume is low.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Is my voice fine now?
No, sir.
No, sir, but a little bit
Can you
low.
increase more?
Very low.
Is it clear now? I think it should be clear now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, just
Okay,
give me
sir.
a moment. They are giving me hostesses, then I will continue. So usually that's the last question only. After that, we will discuss your assignment out. Then we can conclude the session.
So, as a project, what, sir, you want to do?
Oh, so we are solving that similarity question, right, with Nash.
Yes, sir.
It's the project you want to do, sir?
A project, you don't have to worry now. It is after 2, 3, 4 more weeks, we'll get the project.
Sir, I'm asking for first project, sir.
For first
project.
So first project, I guess there is only one project at the end of.
So no, so it's showing the deadline is for Jan 19.
That's assignment. That's not project.
Time 6 o'clock.
Sir, assignment, what, sir, you want to do?
You have some questions are given to you, right? You have to solve those questions and click the correct options.
Yes, sir. When, sir, you
Okay,
want to
sir.
do?
Sorry?
Sir, like what I mean. I'm not clear about the assignment, sir. It's
So,
a session want to answer the means. It's
yeah,
over,
okay.
okay?
I'll show you. Just give me a moment.
So can you
Excuse me,
give
sir.
Yeah.
So can we calculate this by calculating the average?
No. Usually we don't do it like why it is showing me this much. Is it 978, 968? I don't know. Why is it showing me 968? It should be
Time 6 o'clock, sir. Like, can we calculate the similarity by taking
no.
out the average?
Usually, like I should introduce the term at this point
Sir,
of time.
can I use Excel?
Yeah, you can use Excel. So I am telling like you can calculate similarity only by calculating Euclidean distance of the data points. Okay. But here, since this Euclidean distance is not yet introduced in full-fledged manner, so I would say as of now, how we are checking is like we have this Nash as our main point, and now I have to check the similarity between Nash and all the 4 options that I have, right? So we have seen one by one that none of them are matching. Like for example, Nash has 14, so none of them have 14. So it is not a similar. Then this is 4, none of them have 4. This is 15, none of them have 15. This is 61, only Demi has 61. So out of all these search, we have found that Nash is quite similar to Demi, right? So based on that, we have to solve as of now. But going forward, the exact things to find similarity is Euclidean distance. Okay. Okay, so it was. So it is Demi. Okay. So that's it. That were the question that I wanted to discuss today. Now the doubt related to assignment. Let me check the assignment. What assignment? Okay. Yeah. So in week 1, we have this assignment. Just give me a second. I'm audible, right? Hello. Hello, am I audible now? Or you guys can unmute and ask. I don't know who changed.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Someone. So the thing I was telling, like assignment, right? If I go to
Yes, sir. Tell about assignment, sir.
yeah, so my screen is visible, right? So in the
Ah,
assignment, this is the due date, right? So every week, every alternate week, that is week 1, week 3, week 5, and week 7, will have your assignments. So what you have to do is like this is the record of all IPL matches played so far. So map the data set to the domain on the left. So record of all the IPL matches played so far. Is it related to finance, e-commerce, sports, or bioinformatics?
it's analysis.
Both.
Don't answer it because this is graded assignment. All of you will be checked based on this. So you have
Sir,
to solve
for
this.
this, you can send. Can you just send me the link, sir?
You have to go to dashboard. I cannot send you link to this. This dashboard link is shared with you via mail ID. You have to go there and
Ah,
search
yes,
that.
sir. Yes, sir.
Similarly, you have to solve all of this. Okay, all of because
So
this
for week 2, what sir should we do?
this graded assignment contains question from week 1 and 2. This GA3 will like in week 3, GA2 will contain question from week 3 and 4. Then in week 5 you will get GA3 that will contain question from week 5 and 6. And then in week 6 you will get question week 7 you will get question from week 7 and 8. Okay, so this GA1 contains question from 1 to GA2 will contain question from 3 4, GA3 will contain question from 5 6, and GA4 will contain question from 7 8.
The assignment contains marks, sir.
Yeah, this assignment are marked. So you have to select all of them. If you select this correct, you will get 1 point. If you select this wrong, after the deadline, it will be evaluated. You will get 0 marks. Similarly for MSQ, if you select all the correct options, you will get full marks. If you select few of the correct option, you will get partial mark. But if you select one correct and one wrong, then you will get 0 marks. Okay, is this clear how this is marked?
Sir, is the
For everything, at least 2 options will be there, sir.
Not necessarily. That can be one option can also be correct. All the option can also be correct. But you have to think based on that. Like which of these are examples of machine learning? Spam filters in an email, calculating area of a circle, recommender system, sorting a list into alphabetical order. So out of whichever do you think is correct, just mark it. Let's say you have correct all the correct possible answer present there. So you will get full marks. Let's say you will mark only few
So it
correct
can be maybe 2 or 3, sir.
Sorry.
So the options may be 2 or 3.
Yeah,
2
option
options
may be
also
1 or
be.
2 or 3 or 4, anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is more than one. That's why
Okay, sir.
multiple select. That's why it is written select all that apply. Because here you see this is a multiple choice question. So here only one can be selected, right? You see only one
Yes,
can
sir.
be selected. But here more than one can also be selected. Based on the question, you have to answer them. Okay. And once you are done with all this, just you have to all the 10 question. Once you have solved them, you have to go there and click on submit answers. Okay. Once
So
you
what is IIT 4-year BS degree program? What is about that?
So this 4-year BS degree is the undergraduate degree provided by IIT Madras, where even I am a student of the degree, where you will learn data science from very basics. So this course is not at all that much mathematical, but BS degree is completely maths and statistics and programming oriented course. So if
Yes,
you
sir.
want to continue further after week class 11 and 12, if you want to get into the domain of data science and not only data science and software development, so you have to you can explore this option as well as like this BS degree from IIT Madras. If someone wants to go to electronic system, they can explore that BS in ES from IIT Madras.
Sir, can PCB students do this?
Yeah, all of PCB, PCM, even humanities, arts, commerce, all students can do this.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, for the graded assignment, are the questions different for everybody?
Yeah, from I guess I am not sure for week 1 it's the same, but from week 3, that is GA2, questions are randomized. Questions are different for everybody.
Yeah, sir. I think from week 1 itself is randomized because the questions I have are different from the ones which are showing.
Okay. So I think that's quite possible that questions, yeah, these questions are randomized for everyone because there are almost 111 question. Not you people will get all the question. This question will be randomized and you will get maybe some 10 to 15 question each of the students. Okay.
For everyone, it will be randomized.
Yeah.
Sir. Hello, sir.
The assignments are randomized. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. You can ask a doubt.
Sir, all the weeks question are like choose only, sir. Why am
Yeah,
I
these are
questions?
only objective.
Not question answers like
No.
2
These are
mark, 3
only
mark.
objective. No subjective is there. Like going
Ah.
forward, school, what you guys will do in school, you have question, you have to write answers. But going forward, you guys will not have this kind of thing. For example, many of you will write JEE and everything. So here also you will get question, you just have to write the answer. Doesn't matter how you solve it. So this is called objective question answers practice. Okay. And whatever you are getting in school, that is called subjective question answers. Okay.
So
even
there will
BS
be
degree, if you do this 4 years BS degree, your exams will be objective only, and only 1 or 2 subject will have subjective. That's towards the end of the degree, like in the 4th year, final year.
okay.
Okay.
Understand. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So any more
When will we will be doing project, sir?
When
When we will be doing project?
project you will get after week 6, I guess. Okay. So
Sir,
just
for
go to
BS degree, we have to give any exams.
yeah, you have to pass qualifiers exam for qualifying to enter into this degree.
So that will be online or offline?
No, BS degree exams are offline, completely offline exam. There is no online exam. Every month, if you enroll, if you clear the qualifiers and if you enroll into this degree, every month you have to go to the nearest center from your house and you have to give exams from the TCS systems.
Or sir, qualified exams will be online or offline?
No, qualifiers exam will be from center only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so I think it's almost 20 minutes past 6. We can conclude our session, right?
I had a
Sir,
doubt.
after completing 8-week course, what is the benefit, sir?
So you will know that whether you want to go further into this field of data science or AI, or it doesn't excite you anymore. Like people do 4 years of degree, then they think, oh, this field is not made for me. I am not finding it exciting. So it's much better, like before enrolling yourself in any kind of degree, you should get some hands-on experience or some information about that field. For example, after this 8 weeks of course, the content that you will learn, you might ask yourself, like this is what I want to study, or this is what I want to do in my lifeline or my lifetime. So something like that, right? You will get direction. If this thing doesn't excite you, well, fine, you can move on from this domain. You can take admission in some other domain. For some people, tax excites them. So for some people, business excites them. For some people, humanities, history, geography excites them. So this course, the main motive of this course is to just to give you the flavor of what are the things you will learn if you come into this industry of data science and AI.
So you'll provide a certificate for completion, sir?
Yeah, there will be 2 certificates, I guess, one for project and one for completion. So if you clear this assignment criteria, you will get certificate of completion after giving final exam. Okay, so if you clear this assignment criteria, you will get the link for final exam. So if you give final exam and clear that, you will get certificate of participation. And the second part is if you
final exam will be like a multiple choice question or written form.
Same graded assignment, and the level of the question will also be same of graded assignment.
It will be held in week 7.
Yeah, it will be towards the end of this week 7 or week 8.
Oh, okay.
Sir, this exam is compulsory to write, sir.
Yeah, to get certificate, it is compulsory to write. I will suggest if you do graded assignment well in lectures, and just search yourself, like out of your just do Google search and all to understand things.
It will be easier for higher studies, no, sir?
Yeah, that's not like that's the introduction. If you go for higher studies in data science, what are the things that you will learn? That's just a kind of introduction.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I was asking if we have given a date data of loan taking by a bank, then are we able to tell using machine learning that why the person did not pay loan?
Yeah, that's very good question you have asked. And yeah, machine learning helps us to get inference from the data, and that's where statistics comes into place. Because machine learning is just a fancy term. There is nothing new in machine learning. Machine learning is just mathematics, statistics, probability, and to model them we use Python. That is the concept of computer science is needed there. So machine learning is not fancy thing. It is just built upon traditional statistics. So the question that if you ask, like if some person is not able to pay up the loan, what might be the reason that he is not able to pay up the loan? So let's say multiple people have taken loan, they are not able to pay the loan on time. So machine learning will help us to get inference, specifically the statistical inference, why these persons are not able to give back the money they have taken as a loan. Clear?
Yes, sir. So the, with using machine learning, we are able to tell why the persons are not able to pay loan.
Yeah, correct.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah. Ask.
While attending orientation meeting, ma'am told that there are two certificate, participant certificate and exam
Project
certificate.
certificate. Okay, I guess there are two certificates. One is for project and one is for participation. So for participation, you have to clear the final exam, you will get participation certificate, and if you submit the project, you will get project certificate. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So in comments they are saying that if we complete this, we will get seat in IITM.
No,
It's
no,
not
no.
true, no, sir.
No, not like that. It is not that easy, man, to get into IIT Madras. If you want to, because that's the top one college of India, not only like your state, that's in entire India. This is the best college available for engineering. So if you want to
Yes, sir.
do offline course here, you have to anyways clear JEE Advanced and get some good scores. If you want to do hybrid course from here, that is BS Data Science, for that
Live is
also to clear.
Sir, but it will be very easy for entering into other college with this certificate.
It's just some added in your resume. You can add these things in your profile, right?
Sir, can't understand.
Like you can add this certificate in your resume or in your profile, right? So that will add some credibility that yeah, this guy have done this 8-week course on data science and he knows something about data science. At least he is not a complete beginner. So this just adds credibility.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any more doubts? Because 5 more minutes after that we have to anyhow close the session because it's already 25 minutes past 6. Okay, so if no more doubts, thank you all for joining. If you have any doubt, those who have no doubt, they can leave, and those who have doubt, you can shoot with me with your doubt. I'll try to answer few of them within 5 minutes. Okay, no need to raise hands. You can ask one by one. I guess Gokul, Yashwant, Anjali. Any doubts you can ask. Any doubts, you people? Gokul, Yashwant, Anjali, your hands are raised. Ruhin Arora, you want to ask something? Okay, you guys are, I don't know who is doing this. Every time they are like closing this unmute button.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can you hear?
It's actually not me. Someone is doing, I don't know. Yeah. Ruhin, you can ask.
Sir,
Yeah, Gokul, you can ask your.
sir, but this course is only help for our work, not for joining the college.
This is just a certification, right? This is a certification to get you introduced to the
Like,
field of data science.
sir, wait, I already finished Python in CSI, sir, CSS. And that was a DCA course. Like this also like that.
No, it is not like that. It is not some course or something. It is a certification of some 8 weeks. Like what I can say, like DCA means Diploma in Computer Application, right?
Yes.
So that's not something like diploma or foundation or not anything. This just that you have attended a 8-week course from IIT Madras and you are getting certificate for this one. That's it.
So there is certificate only for help or resume,
Yeah, it will
not
help in
for
your resume
college.
for sure. If you add this certificate in your resume and the project that you will do, you can show these skills to your recruiter once you will go and apply for jobs. So directly it will not help, but indirectly it will like boost some of your profile.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, is it necessary to do live classes on Saturdays? Because I have my coachings.
No, it is not important to attend live sessions. There is no foundation regarding that. You can watch the live session in the YouTube if you want.
Okay, sir, thank you.
These are only for doubt solving. If you have doubt, you can join, ask your doubt and leave. And meanwhile, we will solve some question. Like today, we discuss about the main median mode and solve few of the questions. That's it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Ruhina Arora.
Sir, like I have interest in this field. After this 8-week course, how can I explore it more?
So, are you currently in class 12 or 11?
No, I'm currently in 10th. I'll qualify this year, like go
So
into
I
11th.
suggest like now you can, I will not say that skip it completely, but your foundation should be very strong. Like you should focus mainly on mathematics. You should be so good with mathematics that you should be able to clear JEE Advanced and then take admission in any of the IITs for this computer science or data science field or mathematics, right? After 12, you can start with this field. Like that's base thing. If you are not able to get good scores or good IITs, maybe you can explore for NITs or this BS degree. Okay. So that's how you should go step by step. But your foundations are very, very necessary. Foundation in mathematics, calculus, linear algebra, probability and statistics. You have to work out with them entirely throughout your life if you are coming into this field. You will be like you will be chunked into large sums of dirty data. You have to clean it up. For that, you need tools. What are the tools? Tools are Python. For Python, what will do with that tool? You have to do exploratory data analysis. To do exploratory data analysis, you need to know the theory behind statistics. Okay. To load your data into machine learning model, you need to know linear algebra. To get optimized result, you need to know calculus. So people usually tend to make jokes around this calculus. I haven't used them ever in my lifetime or something like that. It is not like that. If you are in correct field, you will use calculus even after your school. That sine theta, cos theta, these things you will use. These are actually, they have some very practical usefulness in real world scenarios for, and machine learning domains are one of the same.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
So,
Rudra,
being a bio student, how can I go in this field?
you can easily switch it to it because in BS data science, they are starting maths from very basics, that is sets and relations. They're starting from this much basic and then they're building to huge, literally huge, like back propagation and all these are very, very difficult to interpret by what I can say, like basic human mind. They're very difficult. Like, you know that AI is learning at so speed that to cope up, even large scientists are also facing difficulties. As a student, it's very difficult for us, but yeah, base remains same. 80% of the things are basics, right? So you learn these things starting from the very basics of number theory, that is set theory, relation function, and building up to back propagation over the 3-4 year time in this BS degree. So you can easily switch to, even I am from non-tech field, I have switched to this data science field only after doing BS degree from IIT Madras.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Rudransh.
Yes, sir. I was asking, will that also work for like if machine learning can tell why who has taken loan will pay loan?
Yeah, that's a prediction problem, right? That's predictive analysis. That's actually the main purpose of using ML, like predicting the future and then optimizing that what things will help me to
Like
predict
probability.
Yeah, that's why probability comes into place. But because when in this world we cannot say anything with certainty, when the subject of the statistics works around what I can say averages, right? It cannot say anything that with certainty it will happen. It also works
Yeah,
with some
yes.
assumption and some averages, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's
Sir,
just
Sir, I was asking if it can tell why the loan taker will pay the loan.
They can, right? So this depends upon the features. So to predict something, for example, this XYZ person have taken loan, he will have some features. Features as in what is his monthly income, how many family members are there. So these are called features. And based on, let's say, 20 features, it will give whether this person will be able to pay loan or he will not be able to pay loan. So yes or no, correct? So these features will help us get direction, like which feature is the most prominent one, which will help me to understand that whether the person will be able to pay loan or not.
Sir, I am not asking if the loan taker will whether pay the loan. I am asking, can it tell that why the person will pay the loan?
No,
The reason.
why the person wants to take the loan, correct?
No, sir. Why the person is the person? Sir, I want to say that it can tell why the borrower will repay the loan. Like on which type of feature will it pay the loan?
Yeah, so for that, like we will have thousands of borrower, we'll build a model and then we'll do what we'll call feature selection. So whichever feature will have the highest importance, those many features will be the deciding factor why this person will pay the loan. Okay.
So, sir, answer is yes.
Yeah, it can.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, so I think I should close the session. It's already 33 minutes past that. So thank you all for joining. We'll again meet on next Saturday session. There we will discuss supervised and unsupervised learning. Okay, fine. Okay, thanks for joining. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.